Right, we've made it to the Wahbah Crater. And it's so big, it's bigger than you can imagine. I think this is the way down. We're going to give it a go. Now we reckon we're on the right path because you can see it zigzagging down the side of the hill. Actually quite an established path, like zigzagging. Right, we're on the way down, probably about halfway, and there's an echo, so we'll try it. Echo! Echo! Good one. Only one. About 25 minutes from the crater rim. And we're going to try and walk to the centre, see what it looks like from there. It's pretty impressive. Oh. Right, we're walking to the centre of it. It's like walking on snow or something. Very crisp underfoot. You can probably hear it. Salty. Very flat in the middle. Strange how this has formed. Just dropped away. There's like greenery, so it looks like maybe there's water not so far under the surface. It's like 8:30 in the morning, it's already pretty hot. Check out these patterns on the floor from it. Crystals or something have formed. Tastes a bit stronger than table salt. Very unusual underfoot. It's quite soft in the middle, and you can see that it's got like, I don't know, round bits. Like it's shaped differently, people's footprints. In fact, that footprint's so deep it must have been really wet at some point. It went from being like crystalline and looking like fossils to being soft like marshmallow or something, with a hard layer like a marshmallow that's been cooked. Look at these ones, virgins. See how salty that is, just look at the texture of it. we're in the bottom of the crater. So here is 360. First with me in it. And then 360. Just to look. If we do a low view, you get a good idea what it's like. Not difficult to get down here. A little bit of climbing required on the slope. But nothing too dramatic. You can see the way down, maybe the zigzagging up there and over the top, and the car is over the hill there somewhere. Right, we're on the way back out, down, around to the centre, back out to the edge, maybe like an hour, and you can see the way up here, that zigzag, up and out. About halfway up, back on the way out. It's hot and actually quite hard work to climb, but an easy path by all accounts. Yeah, right. Right, alas, alhamdulillah, the final zigzag is over. We've come quite a way. It's quite a long trek down, getting quite a bit of altitude in a fairly short space of time. But now it's a lot flatter. A couple of bits to navigate, and then back to the car for a nice cool drink. Oh, there's that other sandal that someone's thrown away. Very steep in parts. See that crack in the rocks there. Well, this is an interesting bit to get up, isn't it? Just take it steady. Looks like an actual path when you come out. And that magnificent view of the crater again. Quite a drop, let's try it. Oh. Yeah, I think I'll stay sure-footed. Mercury's got an announcement. We're, 3/4 of the way up. It's very hot. It's been quite a difficult climb so far because of the heat. And here she is. Tell us how it is, Mercury. What are you going to do?
I survived, yeah. Thanks God. The wild cactus is alive.
The wild cactus is alive and kicking. However,
I swear on my health, on my life, I'm not gonna light up another cigarette anymore in my life. Never, ever, never, ever.
You heard it here first, good people, for the record. Right, we're practically at the top. You can look down and see the zigzags that we've come up. So here's the difficult climb, and then the zigzag start there. Maybe you can see them. Very hot today, very difficult environment because it's so warm. Pretty relentless, not much shade. We're on the way back. Made it to the top. Wow. What a view. See the car up there, only just the final stretch. Only like 4 kilometres total, so not that far.
I cannot move.
Mappy movement.
Oh, because it's...
I can't even see where it is because I just like suddenly. Right, swap with me. You get in. I'll have to hold it, you're right. Right, wait, let you. You hold this. Get in there. Definitely worth pushing. See if we go.
It is!
That's it. Oh, see you later. Right, we're having a 360 now. I'll spin round. Every time, you know what's happening? You're moving and you're in the back of it.
No!